if you want to see the result. So come with me. Come on. I want to see again. Now look at it. Now look at it, it's all purple. Now I'm gonna use this one. It's star, heart shape, and like blue color and some, I think, yellow color. So are you ready for this one? So let us take. Ready? Now let us try. It works actually. Oh, Mama, it's working. Now look at this. Wait. Why is not? Come on. I want to see again. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So are you ready for, do you know, in my last video, with my birth video with my father, with my surprise gift, and also with my like heart shaped one. So this is the third time I'm doing. So guys, if you want to make this, so don't forget like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. So the material is little bit of water and my especially toothpaste and 2 tissue paper and any kinds of brush, and then we need any soap that we can use, and then we need some colors for extra use. So guys, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? So let us do it. So we'll just pour inside some water. Next we need some soap and toothpaste. Looks like I just, come on. Okay, let us mix. We just done mixing. Now let me just spread all over. Now I'm gonna dry this. Look at it. It's all pink and little fluffy. So let me just. Now I have this yellow paper. Now I'm gonna do this the same. This is quite not little. Let me just put that the same as you. Now the yellow one is done. Now I'm gonna do the blue ones. Now we need to dry this two paper, yellow and sky blue. And also when this will be dry, and see if you want to see the result. So come with me. This is the time, 5 minutes later. So it just make. So this is also dry, and the yellow and blue was also dry. So I just cut it off And I have star, heart shapes, and every shapes. Can I tell you? See, we are making a bunny shape. We just cut it. Now we are just drawing the bunny's face. Now we are just coloring the tips of it. Now guys, these are so guys, now we just made this. One is this. Look at. And one is this. So are you ready to try? Look at the inside. Wow. Okay, now let us try one. Try two of them, this and this. So this was already removed. Like it's a bunny, red, cute bunny. I have 4 of them. So are you ready? I'm really excited. Now look at it. Now look at it, it's all purple. Yes, it's really works. Now I'm gonna use this one. It's star, heart shape, and like blue color and some, I think, yellow color. So are you ready for this one? So let us take. Oh no. Okay, are you ready? Now let us try. It works actually. Oh mama, it's working. Now look at this. Wait. Why is not? Come on. I want to see again. Guys, if you like this video, so don't forget to share it to friends and even like and subscribe. So bye.